So for this question, find mean, variance, standard deviation for the data below. So notice that our data given here will be a group data. So for group data, in order to find out the x, it will be the midpoint for the class interval. So find out the class interval. What is the midpoint for this? So 0 plus 20 divided by 2, it will be 10. Then follow up. Here, add on, divide by 2, 60, divide by 2 will be 30. Find out the midpoint to represent the class. Then for question A, in order to find the mean, it will be summation of fx over summation of f. So we will key in our calculator. We're going to find our mode, then statistic, take up one variable. So notice that this x will be represent for our midpoint. Then this midpoint represent for the class. Then number of students will be our frequency. So in order to get frequency column, we're going to shift mode, then go down, find for statistic, and on the frequency column. Now we key in the data. Then we go for frequency and key in. So after that, we are going to press AC, minimize the table. Then we're going to find for our option or shift 1 to find out the summation 3. So summation of x, number 2. So here we have 6140 over summation of f. Summation of f will be the number of data. So find for your option to get number 4. So what's your data? And here is 120. So finally you can figure out the mean. So number 4, you see you have option 2, mean. Directly it can calculate for us 51.17. Meanwhile, we go for the second question, variance. So variance, it will be s squared equals to 1 over n minus 1. So summation of frequency minus 1. Then here is summation of fx squared minus summation of fx, everything squared, divided by n. N will be our total of frequency. So from here, n minus 1, so total frequency minus 1. Total frequency, we know that 120 minus 1, 119. Then we find out the summation of fx squared. Number 3, take this one, summation x squared. Summation of fx, where we can find it from our mean just now. Then the number of data, total number of data, 120. So from here we can get our variance. So switch 1, we take number 4, we take for standard deviation, and then we go into square. So that represents variance. So for the next, standard deviation, it will be equals to square root of variance. So 19 we can round off, become